Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McCare, and I'm going to go through a very quick video today comparing the results I got making my ornaments using American Cell Activator Floetrol and Australian Floetrol Cell Activator recipe. Several of you guys have been asking me, and I was just curious as well, so I did a side-by-side comparison. So I'm going to blow through the video very quickly. The paints don't necessarily matter because I'm doing exactly the same paint order in both, actually the 4 different versions, but I just wanted to show you the difference, if you can see the difference. So let me just show you all of the ornaments I've been making lately. I've been on a kick. So yeah, I made about 50 different ornaments. These are waiting to be varnished. These over here are varnished, and this isn't even all the ones that I've already done. And they came out pretty good. I used the Liquitex gloss varnish that I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I'm really happy with how these came out. And then on the back of these, I just hit it with my little stamper. Yeah, and I'm going to either mail these to friends or give them out to neighbors. This is the varnish I use, the High Glass Liquitex. And I have this little cotton rag that I just put a little tiny dribble, maybe this much, if you can see that. Just a dribble, and then I just rub it around with the cloth, and that's that. And I do about 2 or 3 coats. And then these are the ornaments that I've been working on today. And I did some of these with American Floetrol Cell Activator recipe and some with Australian. And I wanted to do a comparison to see for myself and also show you guys what the difference is. So yeah. Sorry the lighting's not the best because it's night. But yeah, they came out pretty cool. Can't wait for them to dry and get them varnished up. All right, I'll be back with the video in a minute. So I'm going to be double timing through the video, and I'm going to be cutting out a lot of the fluff, since the point of the video is to learn the differences between the cell activators. So the first color down was the 24 karat gold by DecoArt Extreme Sheen, Golden's Dioxazine Purple here, Prism Pores Pink Dahlia, Treasure Gold's Fire Opal, and Prism Pores Violet Rose. And this is the American Floetrol Cell Activator recipe. Blowout time and spin away. So once again, this is the same sequence. That's the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold. This is the Dioxazine Purple by Golden. Next I've got the Prism Pores Pink Dahlia, followed by Treasure Gold's Fire Opal, and then Prism Pores Violet Rose. Only this time I'm going to be using the Australian Floetrol Cell Activator recipe. Now just so you know, I just mixed it up today, and it's about 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And I think it might have even been still a little bit thin. For those that follow me know that typically my American Floetrol Cell Activator leaves a little bit of a mound and then sinks straight back into the Cell Activator cup. And as I mentioned before, every blowout is different, and this one here just wanted to blow out in one direction. So I went with it and then hoped that there was enough Cell Activator to save for the other side as I spin this around. And fortunately, it kind of worked out. Not ideal, but still worked. I cut out about a minute here as I waited for the cell activator to push back through, as you can see there, just before I spun this out. And I cut down the spin. I need to save time here. The point of this whole video is to show you the comparison less than the process. A little cleanup here. So here's a side-by-side, and if I had to say, both have good cells, good lacing. The American seems to stay white with the cell activator, and the Australian seems to be adopting one of the prism pore colors, either the pink dahlia or the last color, which was the violet rose. Now, these are the blue ornaments, and the first color there is Artez's Pearl Sky Blue, and a couple other blues in there. Next color is Artist's Loft Metallic Green. Color is 24 karat gold, same as before. And then my fourth color is Artist's Loft Metallic Blue. And the last color is Artez's Prussian Blue. And this is the American Floetrol Cell Activator recipe. Blow out, and then I'm going to be spinning and abbreviating as we go. So this is a pour over, and I was really sad because this was my best blowout ever, but I'm redoing it with the Artez's Sky Blue combination with other blues in it, followed by the Artist's Loft Metallic Green, and then I've got my 24 karat gold, just like before, followed by the Artist's Loft Metallic Blue, and then I finish it off with the Artez's Prussian Blue. And now on this one, I'm going to be using the Australian Floetrol Cell Activator. Now this blowout wasn't as good as the last one, but I wanted to show you what it looked like before I spun it out. Side by side, both have good results. The American stays white, and the Australian seems to adopt some of the Prussian blue into the cell activator. Here's a visual recap of both. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I certainly learned something from it. Just want to put out there, don't forget tomorrow we have our collaboration starting at 11:55 Eastern Standard Time. So stay tuned tomorrow. I'll be on at 1:30. Thanks a lot and take care, everybody.